Hi friends, this is the question. It has asked in Mechanical Engineering 2019. This is the aptitude number 10. What they have asked: a worker noticed that the hour hand on the factory clock was moved by 2 to 5 degree during her stay at the factory. For how long did he stay in the factory? Okay, so now they are asking. Okay. So now you can see that this is the clock. Okay, so total for the clock total degree, that is 360. That is 360. So we will use this concept. The hour hand moves 360 degree in 12 hours. 12 HOURS hours. Okay. So he is asking about what about 2 to 5 degree? Very simple. When our hand has moved 2 to 5 degree, that is very simple. 12 into 2 to 5 upon 360, and that is 7.5. This is the correct answer. Okay, 7.5. That is the correct answer. So sometimes they ask a simple question. Okay, thank you so much.